Welcome back to the Daily Doge. Somebody yesterday commented, please update us at least twice a day. Like your TA, it's awesome. Wow, well, I appreciate that feedback. This TA is technical analysis for everyone that doesn't know. And I appreciate that you like my technical analysis. That is awesome, and I really appreciate that feedback. I will see if I can do more than two a day. I'm not promising, but I'm glad to hear that that's what you want, because then at least I was feeling a little weird doing them every day, because sometimes there's not as much action as I'm hoping for. But if that's what you want, more than two a day, I'll see if I can get there. And at this point, my channel's not even monetized, and I'm not making any profit off of this. So obviously I have to spend my time doing things that can provide food and shelter. And luckily I have one business that has pretty much passive income, and another business that hopefully will have, it's due to have passive income in the next several months, not right away, but hopefully this channel will have some income soon, and then it would make more sense for me to do 2, 3, 4 videos a day. That would be awesome. So we'll see what I can do. Thank you so much for commenting. Thank you for the feedback. This is the Elliott Wave technical analysis of Dogecoin. And I have done some other coins recently, so check the playlist I have for crypto. I have a crypto playlist, and I have an investing and speculating playlist on this channel. Also, if the Daily Doge gets popular enough, eventually it would make more sense to have it on its own channel, because on this channel I've been making health videos and recipes and everything like that. So we'll see in the future. There's a lot we could do, and I'm gauging it towards your feedback. So this is what I had yesterday in my last count. And I had zoomed in and I was mapping out all these 1, 2, 3s, 1, 2, 3s. So we don't really need all of them actually, but this one right here, we're still in the middle of it. I still can't tell if this is what's happening yet. So this B wave is a triangle. This could be over. This could be not over yet. Could be over right there. I thought it was going to break down for a while, but it didn't. It's just been going sideways for, well, it's been up and down. Well, actually, it looks sideways, but there's still trading opportunities because these swings are so large, from 38 cents down to 20 or 32 cents, 32 and a half. That was juicy. From 32 up to 36 and a half. That's a lot. I mean, those are big swings because it's such a low dollar amount. And then here we've got a 1, 2, 3, all the way from 36 and a half back down to 32 and a half, or a little above. And now this trade, I mean, you could have traded from 32.3 to up to 34 and a half. That's big enough to make a trade. However, I've been warning every video, trading during the corrections are dangerous, especially dangerous, because The reasons why are they're hard to count. The end of it is not as clear cut as a impulse wave. So if you remember, the impulse waves are these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves going up. And I've been talking about them over and over and over. There's a book on Elliott waves called Elliott Wave Principle. Definitely recommend you check that out and join the conversation. You can join the conversation without reading it, but after you read that, it would be very helpful to you, I think. And then this correction here has just been, I'll get rid of these and just show the one we're currently on. So these, is this purple? These coming down 1, 2, 3. You know, that could have been it. That could have been it as far as wave A. Now, right now, we could be in a wave B, something like that. And I've talked about this in my previous videos. So, this could be happening right now. And I'll delete that little one because it'll be easier to draw that the one we're currently on. You know, this might, what's going to happen here exactly? That's still hard to tell. Is this going to bump up here? And then make another 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3 going up. That could take a while. But that 1, 2, 3 coming down is very clear. And it can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because this wave right here is overlapping with this first wave. This whole overlap. So it's definitely a 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, which made a big 1. Or 1, 2, 3. So even this, get rid of that. 1, 2, 3. This might be happening. If so, I would extend this buy zone. Definitely I would buy again. Personally, you don't have to. I'm not telling you what to do, and I'm not a financial advisor. But it would probably go back to this buy zone idea. Unless this comes crashing down, then I'll readjust the buy zone. If it does look like it's going to be another wave like that, all I did was basically measure wave A. I mean the A of A. And if this was the B of A, and this is the C of A, that's why I thought could come down to here. But if this is the shape, a flat A, B, C, which I did a video about, it's in the crypto playlist, it's about flats and corrections. So I talked about several different shapes of correction. This is just one of the possible ones. It'll be easier to see once it's done, of course, but obviously we want to try to guess before it's done so that we can predict the price. I do think at some point it's going to come back up around 74 again, or 70 at least. So it's going to come up, and that would be, I would sell the heck out of it up here. You know, just that's to me, I want to change the color of it. Okay, so basically this would be the buy, this would be the sell for this trade. Now I do have another video where I talked about after this giant correction is done, however it ends up playing out, after it's done, it will make another leg up. And I believe I had it going to about 90 cents or so, at least. And it very well could go up to $1 or more. One of my counts had it going up to $1.50. It depends where this correction ends. So we have to just keep an eye on it. And this is what could be playing out here soon. I'll take a screenshot of this. And I'll see if I can make a second video today. I'm not going to promise because honestly it's difficult to do these. The easiest part is just recording it, but then I have to upload it and do all that background stuff and make the thumbnail and all that stuff. And I had an assistant helping me with the thumbnails, but they're very busy doing something else, another business that I have. So if I get another assistant, then I could definitely pump them out faster, and that would be easier if I had monetized the channel yet. But anyway, I appreciate everyone watching so far. Thank you so much. That went all the way down there. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, that looks more. That went all the way down to there. And I will see you in the next video. Make sure to leave your feedback in the comments because I've been definitely going off of your feedback. If you have any coins or stocks or any kind of things that you can chart, that I could chart, let me know and I'll do a technical analysis for you. Just let me know the symbol of it in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. Your feedback is always appreciated. Also, just any comments help with the YouTube algorithm. So I spend a lot of time making videos 5 days a week, Sunday through Thursday, and I would appreciate the likes and the shares. If you have a group, a crypto or a Dogecoin group that you're in, and you want to share this to that, any group that's relevant, don't just share it somewhere irrelevant because people will be annoyed. But yeah, if you're in a Dogecoin group or a technical analysis group, please share this in there. It would help me out a lot, and it would help me to keep focusing on making the videos itself. Thank you again. Have an amazing day on purpose. Trust nature and live alkaline, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.